Plant FAQs. Arnold Promise Witch Hazel. All about the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel, your winter wonderland shrub. Hi there, Furbu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a passion for unique and beautiful varieties. Today, we're diving into the world of the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel, a stunning shrub that brings a vibrant splash of color to the winter landscape. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about this captivating plant, from its characteristics and care needs to how it stacks up against other popular witch hazel varieties. What is the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel? The Arnold Promise Witch Hazel, Hemimelis X intermedia, Arnold Promise, is a captivating deciduous shrub prized for its winter blooms. It's a hybrid, a cross between the Japanese witch hazel, Hemimelis japonica, and the Chinese witch hazel, Hemimelis mollis. This heritage gives it the best of both worlds, the abundant, vibrant flowers of the Chinese witch hazel and the cold tolerance of the Japanese witch hazel. What makes the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel special? This beauty boasts several unique features. Winter wonder. Unlike most shrubs that take a break in the colder months, the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel bursts into bloom in late winter to early spring. Its spidery, bright yellow flowers unfurl on bare branches, creating a captivating display against the stark winter landscape. Fragrant delight. The flowers of the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel aren't just visually stunning, they're also sweetly fragrant. The scent is mild and pleasant, adding another layer of enjoyment to this winter wonder. Multi-season interest. Beyond the winter blooms, the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel offers year-round appeal. In spring, the flowers give way to broad, green leaves. Come fall, the foliage transforms into a fiery display of yellow hues, adding another dimension of beauty to your garden. Adaptable and easygoing, this shrub is relatively low maintenance. It thrives in a variety of soil types, as long as they're well drained. It's also cold hardy, tolerating temperatures as low as USDA hardiness zone 5, -29 to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. How do I care for the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel? Taking care of your Arnold Promise Witch Hazel is a breeze. Planting. Choose a location with full sun to partial shade. Well-drained soil is crucial. Aim to plant in the fall or early spring when the ground isn't frozen. Watering. Water regularly during the first year after planting, especially during dry spells. Once established, the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel is fairly drought-tolerant. Pruning. Prune minimally, if at all. Pruning can affect flowering. However, if necessary, prune right after flowering to maintain a desired shape. Fertilizing. Fertilize lightly in early spring with a balanced fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing as it can encourage excessive leaf growth at the expense of flowers. How does the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel compare to other witch hazels? Here's a quick comparison of the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel with two other popular varieties. Feature Arnold Promise Witch Hazel Hemimelis japonica, Japanese witch hazel, Hemimelis mollis, Chinese witch hazel. Bloom time late winter to early spring, midwinter to early spring, late winter to early spring. Flower color bright yellow, orange, or red-yellow. Fragrance sweet mild to non-sweet. Cold tolerance USDA zone 5, -29 to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. USDA zone 5, -29 to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. USDA zone 4, -30 to -25 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel offers a vibrant yellow bloom color and a delightful fragrance, making it stand out amongst other witch hazels. Where can I buy the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel? Many reputable nurseries and online plant retailers carry the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel. Look for healthy shrubs with a good root system and vibrant buds. There you have it. With its stunning winter blooms, easy care, and multi-season interest, the Arnold Promise Witch Hazel is a fantastic addition to any garden. So, if you're looking for a winter showstopper that's both beautiful and low maintenance, this shrub is definitely worth considering. Happy planting!